Oh yeah, it's dumping over there. Right where I'm headed to. Shit! Yeah, screw that. I'm not going into that. Got a fucking lightning rod strapped to my head, basically. Getting weather alerts. National Weather Service, a flash flood warning is in effect for this area until 3:30 p.m. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Fuck this, I'm out of here. Shit, here it comes. Oh yeah, that's hail, man. I didn't go up to the top of Palomar. I would have been miserable up there. They might have even shut it down, you know? Wow, it is dumping right now. You gotta be careful. Shit, it's coming this way. Big time. Fuck, I hope this road's open. I do not trust these roads all wet like this. This is crazy. I'm soaked already, just soaked. Let me go over what I've done so far, just to give you a quick recap. Of course, the Susie the Uzi sticker. I hope you can see this with the stupid head mount. I raised the sag about 1 inch so that way I wouldn't have to mess with dropping the forks and the triple trees. I put on this red fuel filter, warp 9 shift lever. What else? Oh, the Acherby skid plate. Went with the big, thick plastic one. The custom windscreen. This thing is so cool. So cool. Makes such a big difference. Like I'm saying, I hope you guys can see this with the stupid unicorn mount. Oh, the handlebars. I put the same handlebars that the T-Dub has. The Pro Taper 7/8 ATV high bars. Jury's still out on those. I'm not sure if they're the perfect match for this bike, to tell you the truth. They feel a little high. I don't know if I just have to pull them back a little bit, maybe. I know you want them higher, but for this bike, I don't know. It feels a little strange. I'm getting used to that. I'm looking at tires. I mean, obviously these still have some meat on them. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. Just getting everything kind of dialed in. Oh yeah, I went through the carb. That was a mess. I mean, the bike was running fine, but in this bike there's a secondary breather. And there's a foam filter inside that secondary breather that lives under the seat. And that's notorious for deteriorating rapidly. And then once that foam deteriorates, it gets sucked right into the carb because it's literally connected physically to the carb. So there was all sorts of bits and shit in there of deteriorated foam. So I totally cleaned that thing out. Put all new jets in there, all new O-rings in there. And wow, what a difference. Really purrs with that being cleaned out. Anyhow, let's try to get ahead of this storm. Look at that, someone's shooting up here. I'm not going to touch that. Put my fingerprints on it. I dropped right into Wildemar OHV. I wasn't planning it that way, but it's kind of running from the rain there. I decided to take the back roads here, so figured, what the hell, let's throw the DR into it. Son of a succotash, that power and dirt. And you can really just flick the ass around however you want. It's just there on tap, ready for your taking. Take me, it says. Oh, dude, that is so nice. So nice. Oh shit. Yeah, those D606 just grab right in. But I guess they don't have a very good street life, obviously. Or else I just run them all the time. I'll have to look up how those TKC 80s are when it comes to the street life.